Hi guys, hope you're doing good. In this series of videos, we are learning about Linux or Unix commands. People also using Mac, these commands are for you as well. Now let us go ahead and see how to cut a particular character from a file or to cut a particular field from a file. Right? For that, we'll be using a command called as cut. Let me take a file called as names.txt. Now in that we have some words inside that file. If at all I want to cut out the first characters from the file, only the first character from the file, I'll be using the command called as cut followed by -c and followed by which character, right? First character, second character. For that we'll be providing the number. So here let me say 1. So cut -c 1 means first character from the file. Oops. I missed the .txt. Yes, now it's okay. Now here it is printing the first character alone, right? For every line, only the first character will be cut and will be displayed. That's the use of this cut command with the help of option -c. Now, if I want to cut the first three characters, right? I'll say cut -c 1 and then second and then third, right? So first character comma second character comma third character. So this is how I cut, right? If I want to cut the first and the third character alone, it's very simple. I just say cut 1 comma 3, so it will cut only the first and third characters. Right now here this is my first character and this is my third character. Now I can let me take the entire content of the file. So first character and third character means these two, right? So here we can see SMEI like that. Now we have one more option. If the characters are continuous, right? So for example, I want to cut the first, second, third and fourth character, or only the first, second and third character. If my characters are continuous, I don't have to give like 1 comma 2 comma 3. Simply I can say cut -c 1 -3. So it means from 1 to 3 print all the characters, right? I'll say names.txt. Now you can see that first three characters are getting printed, or I can say, if I say I want to print the second character to third character or second character to fifth character, you can see second, third, fourth and fifth character. Here there are only three characters maximum. That's the reason it is providing only the second and the third characters. Fifth character it didn't print. Let me take you to the full file, right? So here you can see the last two lines have only three characters. That's the reason why it is printing only the second and the third characters. Right now here you can see second to fifth, second to fifth, right? All the characters are getting displayed. Can you see that, right? So here it is second to fifth. Again here it is second to fifth. You can just compare the characters there in the output here, right? In this place you have outputs. You can just compare it, that from here it is second to fifth, and here it will be only AM and DI because it has only three characters maximum. If the characters are continuous, just say the number, the starting number and the ending number and hyphen in between, that's all. But if at all I have characters, different characters, right? So first character, third character, fifth character, like that, I'll just go for 1 comma 3 comma whatever you want, right? So that's a difference. If it is continuous, that the starting character hyphen the last character. If it is in different places, just give a comma and give all the characters. This is how we cut characters. For that we'll be using the option called as -c. So let me take this file. If I want to cut this file or cut the fields from out of this file, right? For example, I want to cut the first field and the third field, right? Or the second field and the third field. Yes, it is possible. We can do that with the help of option -d, and for D it means that it is the delimiter, right? So D means delimiter. The delimiter is hash, and F means field, which field I want to cut, right? So to mention the delimiter I'll be using hash. To mention the field I'll be using F. Now F, I'll say first field and the third field from the file employee.txt. Now you can see the first field is cut out and the third field is cut out. Now if I want a different thing, yes, I can do that. I'll just say if I want the first three fields, I'll say 1 hyphen 3 as we've seen before, right? We have cut the characters 1 to 3 characters. For that, we have given 1 hyphen 3. The same way, if I want to cut out the fields which are continuous, yes, I can do that with a hyphen between. If it is at different places, yes, I have to just separate those fields with the help of a comma, right? So here, let me give one more example. I just want to cut out the second field and the fourth field, that is my name and the department, name of the person and the department, or I'll say the employee number, name and the department, first, second and fourth field. I'll just say cut hyphen d. Hyphen d mentions the field delimiter which is separating my file, and the field whichever I want to cut, right? I'll be mentioning hyphen f. So let me give here, you can see the first field, that is the employee ID, the second field, that is my name, and third field, that is my department. This is how I cut, right? Either the field or a character. So cut is the command which helps me to cut. To cut the character, I'll be using hyphen c. To cut the field, I'll be using hyphen f. And if it's a field delimiter is mentioned, I'll be using hyphen d. That's it for this video, guys. If you have any doubts or queries, please comment in the comment section. I'll definitely get back to you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.